can never have too many work tables or surfaces. Ugh. Styrofoam. This is not light. Could you pass me one of those bolts? Perfect, thanks. Might need to get wheels for one of these. One down, one more to go. All right, cool. So those tables have been hanging around in their boxes for a while, so just set them up. Don't mind the mess. I'm in the middle of filming a main channel video right now. It's really cool. It's like going to be a month late from when I wanted to release it, but you're going to like it. Anyways, I thought I would just do a quick walk around of the new studio slash workshop, electronics workshop, because I've got kind of the metal stuff. You saw, maybe if you saw my main channel, you saw like the downstairs part where I've got more like machinery and stuff like that. Up here, this is like the clean electronics and where I'm filming mostly. So let's do a little walkthrough, shall we? You've seen the robot arm, still borrowing that from a friend. So you'll see it in a few things. Yeah, it's a really nice big space. I had all of the walls spray foamed, and then I had to have fire paint put on top of that, which is not cool. And then finally the black paint, and it turned out awesome. I really like the color. I also painted the floors, and then had electrical run. So the place is decked out. I could add more. I think I want to add more outlets in some other places. Also, there's no AC or heat up here yet, but downstairs has a gas heater, so if I crank that up, it gets nice up here. So that works so far, but I'll probably put in like a mini split up here somewhere. Got the what looks like a really tiny desk, the original desk I had. I'm still kind of planning the layout, and kind of the goal for everything was to have everything on wheels so that if I was doing like a bigger project or wanted to test something in the middle here, I could open it all up. So in this corner, I've got my old electronics bench, but I have a plan. I kind of want to put all this stuff on a rolling cart because sometimes I'm not just soldering on small things I can fit on the bench. Sometimes I'm working on something that's bigger, and I want to be able to roll it up to it. And I think it'd be really cool to have basically all this stuff and more on some type of rollable little mobile workstation. Got the pick and place, made good use of that in this upcoming project. Then those desks were, I don't know, I just kind of threw them together. But I don't know how that'll stay because the walls are leaning, so it's kind of not super useful. It's just going to collect things. So I got to figure that out. I built this table. I got these awesome 4x8 thick work surfaces. That's actually one cut in half, which, shouldn't have done, but whatever. So I built this table, and it can roll, it can move, it's modular because there's no way I was carrying this up here because everything I think about is me being able to do it by myself. So it's super heavy, but it comes apart in pieces and bolts back together. So this is absolute awesome table. And I realized after I cut that one in half that I probably could have had two, but I really didn't want to make two frames. Got the printers, got the new Bamboo Labs. You saw that video maybe. And I'm really excited for that. But again, just trying to get things somewhat organized. Oh, it's such a mess right now, but I'm just got some props and things for the videos, and then all the hack pack stuff that I'm working on. And then all of my bins with different projects and different categorized things. I just got this table because it's not really super organized, but some of these bins are labeled with like motors and solenoids and I don't know, fans, different things, servos. These shelves aren't really great for holding them because they're not like individual. You got 4 tiles, so you can't pull one out from the bottom. It's kind of annoying. So I got this table to kind of like work on this one when I'm searching for something or just trying something out. So it's all a work in progress, obviously. But I've got all this space over here. I still don't know what I'm doing. I do kind of want like a chill area, maybe with like a couch or like a couple of chairs or something if friends are coming over to hang out or brainstorming or just letting my brain relax, something like that. I've got a modified orbit hanging from the ceiling right now for a shot that I was just filming. And I have a lot of plans. There's 2 windows, but they're covered right now with moving blankets, but it'd be cool at some point. You can kind of hear the echo, but the more stuff I put in here, obviously, the more it deadens down. But it'd be cool to have sound deadening blankets all along the back and front walls. And I was thinking of some sort of like automated window covering, maybe with like a TV on it, so when it lowers down, it becomes a virtual window. I don't know. And some other bigger plans that are kind of just in the brainstorming phase because it's such a big space that it'd be awesome to do like a big LED wall, like a virtual set or something, where people could film, like other people if they wanted to, because those giant LED walls are coming down in price quite a bit. So, and the pitch is going up. It's really crazy. And I think that'd be really cool to do, and I think people would like to see that as a video. And I'd also like to start live streaming and getting that set up with multiple cameras, maybe like robot cameras, things like that. So it's been a lot of work. It's a quick little tour, but yeah, I want to do more simple videos like this, keep everyone updated on what's going on, because my main channel videos are taking longer and longer, but hopefully I'm going to get into the swing of things. So we'll see. And I'll just, have random videos on here every so often. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to this channel. Go check out my main channel if you somehow saw this one without that one. There's There's a lot of crazy stuff I do on there. So anyways, everyone, thanks for watching. See ya.